folk or in Sambi Etuja and Bufuye Pa. Videos.
What was the problem?
No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh. Entertainment never dies.
I'm some of you. 2 p.m. Any PM that one thing for me.
Because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is sorry.
Your form was on member and Pessuan.
Such a watching dear Christus and Panidi, not Unyamon, Everton, on Concron, Ayo Yame, Unimadi.
Papa, Habidi, Serati.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, or in Sambi Etuja and Bufuye Pa. Videos.
What was the problem?
No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh. Entertainment never dies.
I'm some of you. 2 p.m. Any PM that one thing for me.
because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is sorry.
Your form was on member and Pessuan.
Such a watching dear Christus and Panidi, not Unyamon, Everton, on Concron, Ayo Yame, Unimadi.
Papa, Habidi, Serati.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, or in Sambi Etuja and Bufuye Pa. Videos.
What was the problem?
No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh. Entertainment never dies.
I'm some of you. 2 p.m. Any PM that one thing for me.
Because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is sorry.
Your form was on member and Pessuan.
Such a watching dear Christus and Panidi, not Unyamon, Everton, on Concron, Ayo Yame, Unimadi.
Papa, Habidi, Serati.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, or in Sambi Etuja and Bufuye Pa. Videos.
What was the problem?
No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh. Entertainment never dies.
I'm some of you. 2 p.m. Any PM that one thing for me.
Because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is sorry.
Your form was on member and Pessuam Pessuan. You so pa.
So no more.
Such a what we dear Christus and Pandy, now when you're home, ever travel. On Concron, Ayo Yame, good Nimadi.
Nami ya papa, Habini Serati.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, or in Sambi Etu, Jani Bufuye Pa, Naimsha videos.
What was the problem? No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around, I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh, entertainment never dies.
I'm some of you. 2 p.m. in your PM was a frame. Nearby,
Because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is.
Sorry. Sorry.
Your form was on member and Pessuam Pessuan. You so pa.
So no more.
Such a what we dear Christus and Pandy, now when you're home, ever travel. On Concron, Ayo Yame, good Nimadi.
Nami ya papa, Habini Serati.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, or in Sambi Etu, Jani Bufuye Pa, Naimsha videos.
What was the problem? No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around, I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh, entertainment never dies.
I'm 2 p.m. in your PM was
Yo, ilele mama, helele, Moses. Yeah, ni mama.
Your form was on member and Pessuam.
Helele. Ukadi kids ifidi tia. Jama mama Afrika. Helele. Abusia ya da wasi bedre sa waje na da so twen yen facha yen enfie ni edi ya adwuma nti enema ya na ase ya me nshira de ache afi yen ensem no ase ya shasia free National Commission of Civic Education ye twaniti abon mrane se NCCA pani kwankyerefo na oda no Josephine Nkrumah Afin pim mienu ene dunsia ena Ghana mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebo ni din se omefa sa dibre no na ansana obeba no na owura yire Charlotte Osei kane isi titenani ena na owo na akwanya beda ho ape ene ebo ni din se ne onko ye isi titenani ena ne atwe Josephine Nkrumah de ne be hye NCCE se ono na emeye pani a obeda no afimpim mienu ene dunsia shasie di ne dwuma Ghana mampani aban sesa ekra Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne MPP aban ne baaye no omuhu nse na dwuma ye eso anipa anti yansesa no to aso ase onye na dwuma no onkonko na nima Ghana emfa ne ntoma pamfira eneyi odin krata tintintin akwa abankese mu di akwa koma Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo se adwuma no sɛdeɛ da yɛkɔso ya ne pitiri deɛ kɔmogye ya ne ɔmen sɛsɛ yɛsɛ me no ka sɛdeɛ wɔnyɛ de brɛ foforo ECOWAS abibiman ka ɔno ɛna enkosi ECOWAS no anamu ɛwɔ Liberia nti ɛbɛma ɛnam so ɛma ɔde ne dibrɛ sɛ NCC pani no ato hɔ ne wakɔ akosi ECOWAS no anamu ɛwɔ Liberia ensɛm a ɔne Ghana man pani etwetwe hu nkomo no kakra bi nie
an offer with ECOWAS. I sought your blessings before I made a final decision on whether or not I take up that offer. You graciously gave me some wise words and asked me if I thought through what the decision I was going to make, and I said yes. Following that conversation, certain processes have gone on, and as we speak, I just offered my letter of acceptance to ECOWAS to be the ECOWAS ambassador to Liberia.
Yeshani, kane titrani edema NCC, Ura ire Josephine Nkrumah. Na enu etinu na Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo eje krata no no hwem bonitinko no se o mo waya ade mu apiafo waya ade papa mani agi enso ede amon e wo saa akwanya ya ECOWAS nso ede amon yi we de adesere ba akopɛ na mede ma wo mijiwudi menim se de obetimi aye enti na me ba ekora manyi wan firi ho se kona akopɛ djuma foforo man fa djuma foforo anso nsa na ma woto a wadjuma so no we ya wanya ne se no kona akɔte Ghana nim kona koma Ghana franka so miehu yensomsompa sanse enipa no bia ba besom ewo wiase afanan ene ECOWAS ne mu a omoma Ghana franka so ma Ghana nim ti enti wonso wanya akwanya se no kona ma Ghana franka so na ma Ghana so animunti.
But this is a job you're going to do and bring credit to yourself and to us, your country, Ghana. So I have to wish you the very best of luck. You're taking it up at a time when I am also the chair of ECOWAS. So we both of us are carrying the country on our shoulders at this time, very much so. But I want to wish you the very best of luck.
Abuja Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no so nsem bi ode eja Ura ire Josephine Nkrumah ekwa eno no na yanto asoe kane soafo abedi akire a na ono hwe nkitahudie ene enkrato ensam so Deputy Information Minister former Felix Kwachi Ofosu ena ekasai ose ade a Ghana mampani na afi mienu etoso yi no obedi aban ne mpremienu nie na ne mpremienu no empre di kan no odi kan bo amane se o hye Ghana fo nyina se de aka no midi akọ nti no se niam bi koso a kwano tum odi afu ani hwe medandan no eya ha adwen papa century ni na niam bi koso na so obeka near the security agencies bambofo near the omaba near atwe mo abro so papa second de bodam for near the omakwa kwagina se nimia adwen yaka nsantro for kasabo de ahwo moyem omaba ntimi nsu yabo abra usum adwen papa nti aba na be ya on sakran free sa akwa mone no ho na emwa.
Other issues of governance. Look at the security situation that we have. You have a situation where government itself is at the forefront of abusing the rights of its citizens. People commit crime with impunity. I mean, you in the media, I'm sure, are sitting on tenterhooks now. You have a situation where, based on what you say, if you say something that even turns out to be misleading, you could end up in court with the potential to go to prison.
But that is not laws, specific
well,
laws.
But those are bogus laws. Well, apartheid was a law until some public-spirited individuals got rid of it. Indeed, President Akufo-Addo, the criminal libel law was also law, was it not? Did you not shout from the rafters that he detested it and had it repealed as Attorney General? So how come that he is happy with a law that criminalizes falsehood?
Abushanfo nipa yehwe ni kane soafo abedi akira ohwe nkitahudi enkrato ensam so Deputy Information Minister Felix Kwachi Ofosu ena okasa yi yantu akase abona so wabra Ghana ban say yenyina yebeme card register to ne din Ghana card that is informations will be bia no ewo so eno so betimi aboa yen ma yen digital na ye kono aboa yen ye pa ene first face by ne Ghana 40 guso koye ya bi mu so koye mfie mienu ni September ya yeba be wuram na chese mfie mienu omonsan kan na eno na sese de aban ene NCA no akomonto pa ba chiri mu ahwe say card bia na akam no mu release na onso a wonya wodi ne aye de amount ukọ empeso ahodo no so omo abiebi omo offices no ho omo ye na say na chese enye kwa ade aban ye say wafa ho ka nyina nti yankonko ye ne fidi yanko ye ne kwa no say nti sa ukọ a yesi to 20 Ghana eno no se wudi santene na yato no wudi tu a ni atwe wudi waba begina animu to 10 Ghana ye de ube konfinfin 5 cedi de ene eto ho na wudi no ube tere nipa baako se skani so 1 cedi kura de ye offering yenye ye de beto nsuo ni ehu mobo ni akacho se ya mo akomato ye mo nsam se ye beye de amaw na sika no ne kase ewo mu ni 250 Ghana cedis just 2.5 million Canadian sika no eno de ye be yiwa free santi ni mukura ni akacho se kogina nchen ni ababa je won krata won nchen ni akoye de abrew wari beba ho so na na kura card no na akọ no na eno na dom kuma ewo mrase bedwafie etete sansam na se hwe ehe ne ha eno mo sha se na mo bo apro ko hwe na Ghana fo chereche sansam we nyina mu kire eno akura ye bo ho ama ne ye kire wo kase ye bomu no wo bra menam kwa so kofi apɛ na ebi mu nso hia menom se nana asɛm a wo kan ye no ɛyɛ no kora papa me kora me koye me de saa me koye matua wantua ye nyɛ mawo form so kora ye feli de amawo no utua wantua ye nyɛ mawo ebi mu betua ya ye pagya omo tabiri omo se tablet de omo koye ya yakwakoye na kama de amawo nti wantua de a enya de ebemanti card a ye ni free no enye free sa ɛna pania ogina dom kuma no anamu ekasaye eso manfo nyina bo se omde omontwen na nei se mrase bedwafo no kwa asetena omde sansam no bakwa kotudwa no omo atwempanimfo dededa ano na omo hwe se yen register no otwe omde omo akwa kogina mrase bedwafie no omo aba be yi omo ho ano de enti akade ne ye ne kwa nanso ebi mu na mase agi hu sika no onimonyamfo Sam Nate Jata George ono ena ye mrase bedwani edema de hye wo ningo pram ena kasai
to pay 2.5 million to just have a car. I understand the pain that he raised. The gentleman raised an issue, so we are grateful. We will work on it. I'm sure from tomorrow, hopefully, you would see the benefit of this engagement. But we want to assure you that we will continue to work in your best interest from Parliament. Thank you very much.
Abushanfo nipa ye hwani NDC mrasebedwani a owo ningo pram Sam Nate Jataba George ene yakohwani na yantoa kaseyebo ne so aban kontabufuo Ghana Statistical Service no na ninamu no omo abu akunta na unim se Ghana hanso de aba ne se nkontabuo nyina na omo ani tibire kese omo boa eme yehunu Ghana yaba kwasempa ye dodo yesen ema yesen emema yesen kwada yesen dabia no enipa dodo sen ne ewom emema dodo sen po na ya ewom empere wanyinsen ekoso yesen ana afi nso no se ohia enipa dodo sen pa na ya averagely ye tato omumuna virgin fo ewo memu dodo pa yesen sankonta we nyina omubuo omu ya de papa na oni abibiman bese dunsun 17 African countries abo anan na omu anije papa say ohwe se de Ghana wo bra COVID-19 womu nanso ye twirotwiro din ede koto aba ye twirotwiro din de ye Ghana card ene ye sa twirotwiro din ebu nkunta population census ene house ya kenkan efie ene adan yetimi ye ne kama kofa esan bia mre yen no ya de pa na dwumadie ni ekoso no na soafo abedi akira ohwe enkrato ensam so Deputy Information Minister Fatimatu Abubakar Antifati akasa no kire se Ghana Statistical Service no omo adwuma kosoro omo ayade omo abomo omo abaso papa se de Omama enkontabuo ayefo ayede ekwa kama ekọ smooth ase ensu ato abana na so no wahwe ensu aguso na akwada wayu yefu sa ato so no ato ho na zin na onam so na asen no ayede pa say oya ye chorochoro din no de kwa abefo ntentaka senso a enefo abesa aduanan na ho report nyina aba bedu de kane no na nka e bia chorochoro e de fefa paper so ne ade becha nsana eho enkontabuo ni nyina no esi brane esi people na so se de abefo kwantempo so Ghana ena edikan ahwira edikan ewo mu a ya bo ho amane na ya yehu ade na aboa ama enkontabuo akosoro pa Fatimatu ekasai ekirikire ni nsemu sei
abefo kwan ne mu nsachira edoso abribia bibi foforoba ba se wo hwe senie Ghana Statistical Service we na nye paper ne pen ye de ba se betwere odin betwere na wa wonim tro na age brebebre omo the tablets na omo enter data ebre omo enter ya na anzo so na aduru omo so ye ho no ma omo keka ne mabom enti obeka ye hu na ebre omo ye census no da aduanan na ye chi pepepe na report ashase
na eno echi no na pani ono ye government statistician eso no bu abankontabufo pani pa Professor Samuel Kwabena anim enso ekasa kakra no de bi ka ho kire se hwe we de amahu nketwa kakra bi na mahu ne ma de agu akwan mu no kase pa na nam kwa so ba 2021 ana mobo ya basu yi ana kakra bi ayeyi muntwen 2030 de ya hyehye de ba se tie nie nkonta ne mu beda ho frenchem
yakwe nim no yabuta ni se yebeko so ase ye improve ewo nioma ye no ebi na sisi ye kase 2022 ya start say ye during 2030 census so indeed Statistical Service has set up committee above kase ye kase ye interrogate operations na ye use in the 2021 population housing census na ye ko ye nim 2030 no ye hwe say ebenya data from other sources where ye dey tablet and ankofo kita no movie city efie ni fie ye ko ye nim ni sisi Ghana your digital address ye IT infrastructure amani muso into one of the ways e be hwe ni say online data collection ye be use your digital addresses na ankofo be self administered questions ni bi na ye ko ye nim so ye strengthen BDR, that is birth and death registry, ye strengthen national identification authority say ye di ni share e kwan be use administrative data there ye censuses and e be complement census data na ye get from traditional sources no
na eno de krakra mu no ana Dr. William Muhava ono Chief Demographic and Social Statistician at the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa UNICA and so for a panel kasa no say nipa ya dia osayi wanyina ya yense ni din oto wonyina ade asema na ekoni so ni trim ene de piefiri na numa say ha wasre sa say Ghana for mu wade papa esan say mu wampanimfu a omodwen konkan say omonim de wo soro omodwen daachi omotototo ne ma yie papa say de COVID-19 ba ye echifa aman bi so na edi amanfo bebre na to nsafre owom ayi emamu invite ekopie mu United States of Asamado wuwu ya Ghana de sa ne ma no ekoso na so ankoso sa esanse mpanimfo ene ama papa omudi gu akwan mu nti nanso hwe enu ekuro ya mu COVID-19 kuro ya mu obi anko babia na obi ahyehye dem no enu ana mu churo di nkoto aba COVID-19 kuro ya mu de aye Ghana card COVID-19 kuro ya mu de aye population census mo ya de papa ye ba besua enema PDF free mu ho na ye boa nso ye beboa mo nso ema maba be kire ama hudo ni pi entotoye eni mpanini ni akanini mapa no maba kire yen bi.
Specifically, we would want other countries to learn how you managed to pull off the census during the COVID-19 era. So it's actually a record that most of the countries postponed their censuses, and some have even postponed them indefinitely, but you managed to go ahead.
Abushafo nipa yekohwe ni Dr. William Muhava ana yekohwe ni yanto akase ebone so na ye ka o se kase ebo ya boa no ayede sumu nyina no Yorke State ana Adams Boutique Sarabo Hotel ana amaye sa penie no amaye nsuo de agu ye minim me ye de kase no esum nti aseda kase no ye de mawo yanto akase ebone so ye to aso a na ye kɔ akopim suafo osaye mrase bedwani onimonyafo Dr. Kwaku Afriye ana ye kase yi o kyerese aban no atwotwo eniama bi twempen tintintintintintin twekrata A4 sheet ani official paper omo atwora meso ayema nti omo biebie other pages atwotwo emra tintimu mra pa enche bia ebeba abonten ade ba be si se yenum nsuo ni atoato abonten just like that ye pe anonom ne ye se ye mot ana se Burkina sobolo nyinyina no ewo rubber bari de broni be friend se plastic no ewo bubum bi ye no ye pene no pa ye no nso a ye hiri na obiara ntaa ne do dane na we na akwa akoto kan no ho ne eja ho ne yekɔ rubber nso ekodi asase ni mu a emfi apem na employ eche ye pa na akodi asase nso no ewurawura asia na asan yi ne ho no apie ase obi akowuada epomu no na ase enam bi ewu opo ase no obeyi apie sisi a epokra nso sesasa ne mafu nyina nso ano asan pia bagu abonten o se ono krompe na ni nye ho na ye tantantan na egu ye monten so ne efia dokoro yen saa de yade saa na ebre yen ye se ni de omo tintimu mra e de aba be sisa ne manyina ho kwan na se mra no ye nyagitum se wi wa beto raba bia to abonten no eye kremena wati amra ye becho
mo de no aye bordering on criminality enye so mo aye boni o mra no na ama okwan ye be hwe mra no ya tighten mo then we shall bring say we shall make them outcasts. We will not criminalize them, but we will try to mo na wo such an idea where now wo ba now nana etapu show that say see na kofa and no one will say you are near veering towards criminal. At least at the very least, no way outcast, deviant behavior. Sani ebe describe one. Na ye jai sa suban boni no. Yeah, later your whole environment with plastics no.
Na enu achi no ana okasa biem no osanche say Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology ana local government ministry, fishing ministry, and Ministry of Water Resource aka abomu ehwe se emre kurampo ayede ba no se no manfo no beji atum se ne na adani yanya ne sei nipa no oyeden a ene emra na bechi no na se che no nso mpo a ne kabo ne sen yede ne kotum yede ne kwafiase yede ne kogina se nimia ama yakwa akobo no kwadu na yagini hosika anase yede ne besi monten so ama na pra ebi akaso atula pass oba pra de muni nyina ebi a yebejeli ni jeli ni se ya jeli ni bosome no fitika so atula pass opra ha nyina sa na ye no kwan ben so ne emfa so a ebra na ebesase achi amanfo
emra bi o ha yebesesa ye mba ni plastics ni nyina sa na ebi no ho so de yebehwe for example wo de plastics e de echichire dokono na ayehye ana wanu a eno de yebetumi abane enka antiti plastic ma no na nyesa na amochuma dokono ana say de wo amochuma dokono enka na enye no sa eno de be na ba ya wo ye no sa eno no local government betumi aye by law so say wa wo de be no we will destroy them because they are toxic to the human being ye greater Accra regional minister or ye ni de oye na fam na mom yen ye betre na ni hiemu na ya bonish na da regional ministers ni assemblies no omo nso ya ye da bia Messi nso say etumi twa no direct kra no ye wo tumi nso boy ye was yet me to me so a year on our own.
Abushafo nipa yeshani onumunyafo Dr. Kwaku Efriye oyamra sebedwani onokuru ya nso soafo edema environment science and technology ena okasa ede efa sania yetoto niama gu amonten so basa na makuruma yetan no kwan yefa so na yesi ano kwan yeto akase abone so yeto aso ane yakwa yepiem yetu hwi ede afrin kran ede akọ Cape Coast ogwe mfantinim na yekopiem wo Cape Coast North na Amin Sangari jumaku a aban no etintimu ye senka eni ni dwuma papa emwa nanka mabunu nya adwuma nye ewo Cape Coast North nanso enam ntihye papa na enkoyie hye ma papa de amfa ne ntoma pamfra enjumarefo ewo adwuma nim nyina akokwasa de ne namu saa dwuma ne nkoso ne nam ho saa bedin komo bi kwa adwuma mobile phone yi tua na so 24/7 se si wo kura ba no ne ni din komo ni wenu na phone yi tua na so beprepre ni phone ni ade saa yesi yesu se adwuma ni ho enso nyame ya adom ni enya adwuma ni bi ya na ye didi agro ne nam ho saa na aban se ha se te saa de ne yetwerɛtwerɛ bam adwuma no matum afi etwa mu na otum ena se ne adwumayfo besa 700 ahanso obi a ensori no nkofie because me se munye serious e ka nko na mobo e de ma oman no ena ne otum na adwumayfo nyina 700 obi akọ tena fie na ya pa na ekoyi esun ene amane na eno na aban tena asidin no se adwumayfo no na bi nsu wo mu a na omo de omo ku omo ho papa na omo ye adwuma ni yie omo de omo nsasi omo bo ano arebo ano munsu agusu se he said ye tie bi ombe ye adwuma den e de aboa ama adwuma no akoso na aban se te saade a ene na mekwa akwaje bosia na media ba be wura adwuma no ma adwuma no afa ne ntoma pa efra biu na besia okwaje ye 7,456,000 ana okwaje ye se yensan fe mewura adwuma no na adwuma no enkoso yemfensiesie no kra Perry Mensa ena eda adwuma yi ano na wabra emrase bedwani a owo Cape Coast North onimonyamfo kwabena minta nyako abo aproko hwe se de adwuma no ensese ne nkoso ekono ena Perry Mensa ekire se o sesi ade adwuma no ya yensese ne tutu enyinyina awie kama a yefe wa de afuani behwe on se de niam machine fidie ya tototo nyina ma agina banane ayefe pa sesei enipa ya form adwumam ma omudi dwuma sisi asame no ka se eye aduosia 60 ene ya form adwumam se ye ne omoye adwuma dodo na de omudi omukofie omde omumpebere bia bontu omunkoda na wona no omoasi ombo awe ebo anu munsu agusu akantam sase de tie bi ombabire omumogya ni aye adwuma de asom oman Ghana no omde afom adwuma ma ye ne omu eye adwuma sisi a
Fortunately, if we had to do one in bank documentation, we'll be saying and then the loan was approved for us. The actual amount of the loan is 7,456,000. The actual amount of the loan granted is 7,456,000. That's the loan that we have now, as at end of January. Then the amount disbursed was only 6.1 million. That's why the minister.
Na eno achinu ena mrashe bedwani owo Cape Coast North. Onimonyamfo kwabena minta nyako. Ewom se ogina NDC aban ni mu. Ena ode kwa mrashe bedwa fie de no so se akokwa sachara kroma ya na enye ne fe. Na so we de ebe me fe pa. Se aban na ye biribi no mintimi nkasa aban ne nye hwe. We de aban na ya de papa obo aban na baso. Se wakwa je besia entre no de aba be wura adwuma imuma adwuma na afa ne ntuma pefra ama de hye koye ene omo ho keka pa omo de ye adwuma na nya asem ketwa oya de papa omo aban ni mu apiafo onsanye besia mra biu no mo mfanye enyuma foforo ma emabu na wo Cape Coast North no obi anya adwuma nya kopem se obi akon mu ebe ha no adidi amane maame ene na adofo bi adi.
The company has to lose over 650 people who are working here. And that man coffee now with Snefi. Even people have been on pension and got to go on call before they go on pension. They've lost all these monies. And I'll be very much happy. They able to now we're very effective and efficient working for you. No? Let's call them back. No one's one round mayor. In the one will commend the government, and especially the sector minister, for also making a lot of follow up to ensure that you be a yedi. In the weather nasi.
Abujani pa yakwahwe ni ayamra sebejani edema adisia ewo Cape Coast North onimonyamfo kwabena minta nyako ana okasa ema aban mu apiafo ewo besia wakwakwaje ede aba behye adwuma mu wona abato mpeso aso ema endema ekoyie ama ne mabunu no ehun abusuyen dia daye koso ya ne pitiri akwantintin bia nso aya na ekowie wo aboboa no na nyame ayadom kasia ye bua no aha ena berebe makwan ema yedi esi yeso asu no okamafo Clement betena se ede Yorke morning no ede atoaso mede mebedi mu dwuma kakra bi ena mede brewo na enyuma koya dawroma no mo so yasene me yede kase ne besom wo yemfa se da kase ne mfen koma han Yorke state nsase dosu pa yi Adon's boutique ntade ayefo se de etie bia obenya oso no de enkopa akokofo mu atade ayatentam de asen boutique ahodo bi ne enhye kopa atade papa ntoma papa fabrics 9-1 obenya bi ewo ho oya wedding no mpacho bra ne yemo afenso Sarabof Hotel yebeko weekend so ene midweek ukoji wani wa hefa wa bre won mepacho Sarabof Hotel ho ne yakamfo de ama ho a wa bakurum je number ina frɛ when you call you say I am no abodin I'm calling from afena ufiri US ababedu medase mepacho me pepe bi ada I want baby to sleep J 0242 kafra 0242 22 92 0242 22 92 enyuma ko ya dawroma no mo so ya sene me ye de kase no ebesom wo okenkanfo me His Excellency Nana Kwame Owusu Nana Tino di achim president yechi ehun ye ba okamafo ebeba